Hello everyone, welcome to EnggClasses YouTube channel. In this video we'll consider a numerical on DFT and properties of DFT. The numerical says that compute the 4-point DFT of x of n which is equal to 1, 2, 1, 0 and also find y of k if y of n is equal to x of minus n. So this numerical has two parts. First part is to find the 4-point DFT of x of n and second part is to find y of k. So this to find this I have to make use one of the properties of DFT. Which property we'll say it later. So first we'll consider the first part. So I'll just write the solution and the task is to find the DFT of x of n. Is that okay? So how can I find the DFT of any given sequence? For that I have the formula x of k is equal to summation n equal to 0 to n minus 1 x of n wn to the power k into n. So this is the formula to find DFT of any given sequence. In this formula, let n equal to 0 to n minus 1. So what must be capital N? Capital N. So as x of n is equal to 4 points, that means capital N must also be 4. Or it is quite evident, they say compute the 4-point DFT. So capital N must be 4. So 4 minus 1, so I'm going to get 3. Here I have x of n w4 to the power because I'll put capital N equal to 4 k into n. So let me expand this summation. Let's see what do I get. First put n equal to 0. I'm going to get x of 0 wn to the power or w4 to the power 0 plus now I'll put n equal to 1. I'm going to get x of 1 w4 to the power, as I said, n is equal to 1, k into 1 it is k, plus I'll put n equal to 2. I'm going to get x of 2 w4 to the power k into 2 which is 2k. Is that fine? Plus I'll put n equal to 3 and I'm going to get x of 3 not k equal to 3, it is n equal to 3. X of 3 w4 to the power k into 3. I'm going to get it as 3k. Is that fine? So this is the expanded version of x of k. So now let me put the values of x of 0, x of 1, x of 2 and x of 3 as they are given. So if you look, x of 0 is nothing but this value which is 1 into w4 to the power 0. Anything to the power 0 is always 1. So 1 into 1 it is 1 plus x of 1. X of 1 is the next value, that is 2. So I'll write that 2 w4 to the power k. Is that fine? Plus x of 2. X of 2 is 1 again. 1 into w4 to the power 2k. Plus x of 3. X of 3, the last value which is 0. 0 into w4 to the power 3k. I'm going to get 0 here. So I'll not write it. So this is the expression, the final expression for x of k. So in this expression, I need to let k vary from 0 to 3. So first I'll let k equal to 0. I'm going to get x of 0. What is that equal to be? So just put the values. 1 plus 2 times w4 to the power 0 plus w4 to the power 0 again. So what is this going to be? So this is 1 plus 2 plus 1. I'm going to get it as 4 as x of 0. Similarly, I'll put k equal to 1 now and I'm going to get capital X of 1. What is that going to be? So just consider this expression. In that, put k equal to 1. As simple as that. It is 1 plus 2 times w4 to the power 1 plus w4 to the power 2. To simplify this, I must know what is w4 to the power 1 and w4 to the power 2. So how do I know the value? I could get those values making use of the twiddle factors. So I already know that w4 to the power 0 is always 1. w4 to the power 1 I'm going to get as minus j. w4 to the power 2 is equal to minus 1. And lastly w4 to the power 3 which is equal to plus j. So these values I must know it. So I hope everyone knows these value how to find this. If not, I have already created one of the videos on how to find the values of twiddle factor for n equal to 4. So there I have proved how this is equal to these values. So I recommend you to watch that video as well and come back to this. Yes, let's continue. If we proceed further, so now 1 plus 2 w4 to the power 1, which is equal to minus j. So I'm going to get it as minus 2j. Is that fine? Plus w4 to the power 2, w4 to the power 2 is minus 1. So ultimately, what I'm going to get, plus 1 minus 1 going to cancel, and I would finally get minus 2j as my x of 1. Is that fine? So proceeding further, let me put k equal to 2. I'm going to get x of 2. What must be x of 2? Put k equal to 2 in the expression, which is equal to 1 plus 2 times w4 to the power k is 2. I'm going to get w4 to the power 2 plus w4 to the power 2 into 2, which is 4. So put the values to get the answer. This is 1 plus w4 to the power 2. w4 to the power 2 is minus 1. I'm going to get it as minus 2. What must be w4 to the power 4? So I don't know what it is, but making use of the periodicity property, I could find it. So first I'll write 0, 1, 2, 3. Whatever the values they fall after this, so I'll write below these things. 4, 5, 6, 7. So w4 to the power 4 is nothing but w4 to the power 0. w4 to the power 0 is 1. So it is as good as 1 plus 1 is 2 minus 2 is 0. So ultimately x of 2 turns out to be 0. Is that okay? So moving further, let me put k equal to 3. If I put k equal to 3, I'm going to get capital X of 3, which is equal to, so expression is here. In that I would put k equal to 3. So it is 1 plus 2 times w4 to the power 3 plus w4 to the power 2k. It is 2 into 3, it is nothing but 6. So this is what I'm going to get. So just put the values to get the answers here. 1 plus w4 to the power 3 is j. I would get 2j. w4 to the power 6 is nothing but w4 to the power 2. w4 to the power 2 is nothing but minus 1. So plus 1 minus 1 would cancel. Ultimately I'm going to get 2j as the final answer for x of 3. So I've got x of 0, x of 1, x of 2 and x of 3. So ultimately what I do is I'll sum up everything, and I would write x of k as x of 0. What is x of 0? Which is 4. And what is x of 1? X of 1 is minus 2j. So I'll write it. And x of 2 is here, it is 0. And finally x of 3. X of 3 is nothing but 2j. So this is the answer, the final answer for DFT. X of k is equal to. Is that fine? So this is the first part. But still the numerical is not yet over. I still have to find the second part, y of k. If y of n is equal to x of minus n. So here I have to make use of one of the property. Which property is that? That is circular folding. Is that fine? So what the circular folding property says? DFT of x of minus n is nothing but x of minus k. Is that okay? So this two parentheses indicate the shift is circular in nature, or the folding is circular in nature. Is that fine? We know what is x of k. To get this must be x of minus k. So how do I get x of minus k? Are you getting it? So y of k, I need to find y of k. What is y of k? Y of k is nothing but x of minus k. Is that fine? So how do I find this? I already know what is x of k. How do I get the folded version of that? I can write x of k onto a circle, read it anti-clockwise. I'm going to get x of minus k. Is that fine? So for that, just let me draw one simple circle, so the things become more clear. So I would draw a circle. In this circle, now I would indicate the points. So what are the different points now? It's a 4-point DFT. I'll just write 4 points. X of 0 is nothing but 4. X of 1 is nothing but minus 2j. And x of 2 is 0. And x of 3 is plus 2j. So if I read it this way, it is nothing but x of k. This way in the sense it is clockwise direction, and if I read it this way, that is in anti-clockwise, I'm going to get x of minus k. Is that fine? So what I want now, therefore y of k is equal to, read it in anti-clockwise, which is nothing but x of minus k. So this is 4. Next I have 2j, and then I have 0, and lastly I have minus 2j. So this is what I am ultimately looking, y of k is equal to. Is that fine? So to find y of k, I have made use the property, this property, that is circular folding or time reversal of a sequence. Both mean the same. So this is the end of the numerical. So as I said, it had two parts. One is to find DFT, another is to find the DFT again, but making use of one of the properties, which is nothing but circular folding. I hope this numerical is clear. I have explained everything step by step, and if there are still any doubts, please let me know them in the comment section, and I will definitely answer those comments. Meanwhile, subscribe to the channel EnggClasses for more interesting videos on digital signal processing. Thank you everyone for watching.